everyone. My voice is audible. Let's take the mics first. My mics are audible. Mic test one. Mic is audible. No, the voice is breaking. Now let let's check. Voice is audible. Voice having any noise? Any mouse clicks? Any mouse clicks? Any changes? Or we can proceed. I think all done. We can proceed with our work. Test 5. Let me keep silent for few seconds. Let's go. So on morning, we discussed about the problem, how to, yeah, on morning we discussed already about the problem, like how I break down the problem. How I approach this problem. The link I will share in the chat now. 1 second. I will share the link in the chat. The video where I explained like how I break down the problem in bits and pieces. Later, I will definitely create one playlist for it, where you will find all your discussions and like all your step by step, like how I solve this specific problem. Mm, Part one, where we discussed the thought thought process behind the problem of scope. So first I will implement the pseudocode for it. Already we discussed the thought process behind this problem. Now I will implement the pseudocode for it. So let's go line by line. Okay. So first we need to find out sub-arrays, right? So for sub-arrays, I need to go to this. So copy this. 691 maximum total cover value to pseudo code. Not saying that this problem, the pseudo code we will write this will be correct, but we are trying to just pass the test cases only, not whole like it may not be optimized one, but the major purpose of now is as a beginner I am solving this problem. The major purpose is to understand the brute force approach at least. Okay, later when we are learning the algorithms and other process, then we will implement it. But first thing is that the thought process we need to be get clear. So I'm trying to implement my thought process and I'm trying to improve my thought process. How can I think about a problem when I get a, this type of problem during a test or a competition? The same thought process so that I will use it in our future contests. So step one, find all possible subarrays. How can I count for items? Then create items, create an subarray, create a subarray, create a sub array. We will see when how I will. We will see how we can implement it in Python. Okay, in nums. Then what we need to do? Append the nums of j. Hmm. Nums of j in subarray. J starts from j starts from I. 0. So I starts from 0 for I nums and consider there is no duplicate subarray because already in the question it's told that you must select k distinct non-empty subarrays. So we can't can't sum both of the same level of like 1 3 1 3 we can't sum. Currently if you see 1 3 2, obviously here we will get a unique. But if I have 1 1 2 2 3 3 like this, so there are chances we can get a duplicate subarray. So all these points already discussed in the above section. I'm creating one big array. We create one big array. Okay, check if subarray present in the what? Present in the big array, then continue. Then continue the loop, else append subarray in big array. Now I think we included all subarrays. Second point is the weird part done. Second is what we need to do next. Once we inserted everything, our next operation is to find a two unique pair, do their sum, and our output target is to find the maximum total value. Okay, so uh, we need to find the two unique pairs, two k unique pairs. We need to find. We need to again do the brute force method. So we will put the loop on top of it. Like we can put the loop in this big array. So what do we need to do first? Goal is find the k unique subarray subarrays from big array and do the and find the max and min k unique subarrays from big array. Let's find it first. Okay, how can I find it? So we find two things in the morning, that we need to traverse the subarray from I to n minus 2, so that we will find I to n minus 2, because okay, n minus 2, not 2, n minus k, because we need to find the two unique pairs. So our array should be stopped. So our last element should be that element. So then after that, k element should be present. So if k is 3, so from the current element, when the last element should be picked, after that two more elements should be there. If k, so for that reason we need to put n minus k. So traverse uh, for okay, L. No, for L. A equals to 0. Traverse from hmm, traverse from traverse on big array range is till length of big array minus k. If length of the big array is length of big array minus k of big array minus k. Okay, a. And then what we need to do? Yeah, why we're traversing? We're traversing that. Suppose we found first index. Two, and find each subarray min max, max and mean difference, and then sum the k pairs. Goal is to find maximum total value. Total value. So we will take diff total value, max total value equals to 0. I will take max total value equals to 0. It will use full letter. Okay. Now for B, this line we are writing, actually finding the values now. 2.2, 2.1 we are traversing above the array till. So it will, if k equals to 2, it will pick only so no. So first one, why we are traversing, there is two things. If we see the array, if I create one array of okay, okay. So what are the our array? 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, okay, and then 3. This is also array. Okay, let's print like this. Do like then 3 comma 2, then 3, then 3 comma 2, then 2. Okay, these are the values. So it will traverse on it. So I want two pairs. So first I will pick. So for a equals to 0, it will pick on this pair. Correct? So I want first this pair and this pair sum. So first this pair I will got. I will do the sum of this pair. So now think like this. They're pointing upon and wait. See, a equals to 0. Then equals to 0, and a equals to 0. Then um, a pointing on 1. So we need to do the difference. Correct? So for b equals to a, and it will travel up. So we need to find the two pairs, right? When a equals to is pointing on 1. So 1, 0 and 1 pair is one pair. Then we will go for 0 and second pair. Correct? No, wait once. Then a equals to, no, wait. Here I have some 0 and first pair we will go, 0 and second pair, 0 and third pair. Pair, correct? Yes. Here I have also some doubt. Wait some time, let me think about it. So if I will pick one paper, I'm pointing to a equals to 0, and time 1. So b equals to 0 started. I found the min max 1. What is the min max of 1? 1 minus 1, 0. Correct? Then it will get the min max of 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Total is 2. It will insert in the answer. Okay, fine. So then b equals to okay, then b a goes to 1, b equals to 0. Oh, I'm thinking when I'm pointing on the a, I will calculate the a already. Okay, yes, I should calculate the index of 1. Then b should start from I. No, we can't start from I. Now two pairs we found. Up now, then 131 132 we will find. But 1 and 132 we will not able to find, right? Yes, that's a problem. Then 132 and 3 we will find in this case. I need to find all the combinations of 1, 1, 3 because the issue is if a equals to 0, pointing to 0.21. When b equals to 0, we're trying to find the difference. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 plus 1, 3, minus 1, 2. So answer equals to 2. So this is fine. Okay, this is fine. But the point is here, if okay, fine, b now it's pointing to so how the b will travel. No, b will travel at k minus 1. What will a if a already travels? So for example, in here, if we calculate the a, suppose a calculated, suppose difference diff of I, diff equals to sum of diff, sum no, diff equals to index 1, max of index 1, max of a minus max of a. But if b will start from a plus 1, leave this part. If b will start from a plus 1, then b point 2, point 2, which one? Index 2. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 3 plus 3, 6. Okay. If you take like this. 1, 2, 1, comma 3. 1, comma 3. And then do here. Diff plus equals to diff b equals to a plus 1. You can start it, right? Max of b minus max of a, max of b, sorry, mean of b, right? And current sum, once it will come out of current put here also. Current sum or 0 initialize with diff a, then current sum plus equals to diff b, and here it will travel up to k minus, sorry, it will travel up to k minus 1, because if k equals to 3, it is pointing on this, then it will pointing on 1, 3, 2, correct? 3 means so 2 steps it will, right? This is the k plus 1 first step. 0 means 0 plus 1, 1, 2. So up to k, up to k minus 2. So till k minus 2. Till k minus 2. So this will insert this, and this already have this db plus equals to this. So whatever the sum, then we need to check here on. So we can continue our pseudocode or equals to 0 till k minus k, obviously, because obviously it will more 2 elements. I told you, right? It should be this time. It should be length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means it should come to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps. So 6 minus to 4. Length is 6. It should come to. And then here difference of A. Difference of A equals to max of A minus max mean of B. mean of if then it will current total sum equals to if a equals to a plus 1. What all will this be? Uh, on big array, big array till k minus how much? 1, right? One step ahead. So already one step is completed. Maybe I am doing something wrong in the thinking. To try it actually, you need to write it like multiple combinations. Let's try it. K minus 1 because then multiple combinations we can put on and it will calculate all the combinations, rest of the combinations. If same, then calculate first, second, third, then first, second, two elements will calculate, and then yes, obviously, because if you will do all these things in here, then it b equals to 0, b equals to 1, and b equals to 2 up to k minus. Then what will happen? A can't have the other combinations if it is present also. If b equals to max k minus 1, k minus 2, k minus 1. Max of k minus 1, max of b minus min of b, then current sum. So every time current total sum will be like new one, right? One plus equals to current sum equals should be initialized and current sum plus equals to if b, then we need to find the total. The point is total sum. Total sum should be the highest. So if let's get answer equals to 0, let's not answer. Total sum equals to 0. Let's consider it, okay? If current sum, no, total, if current sum greater than total sum. No else required, I think. Current sum, total sum, insert total sum. equals to current sum, right? Now after everything over, or all both loop over, both over, return total sum. We need to debug it again, but we will now check this one with AI. Copy, go to Claude. I am trying brute force method, brute force method of a problem. Problem is goal is list sample test case would pass. We run pseudocode so implement this in Python. Let me get some water till it's happening. We will only implement the brute force. Later, we will think again how to optimize it, what we can do. Done this. Oh, actually, we did not consider this, so we should go line by line. Okay, fine. Go to this. Control V. What are you thinking? Silver coil. One letter seven piece. Not sure. Let's implement step by step. This is- Type the code. Big array type. Let's type it. Better type it. Big array equals to and equals to 11 comes. Then for I starting in range of n, it will 2 n minus 1 it will be okay. Range. This we are finding for sub array, right? Range of n, then create a sub. This is the issue. I asked the cloud to give me the answers and it gave me the only I in range of n and create sub array. Sub underscore array of equals to square brackets, correct? Yes. For j in range of what? This is 0 to n and it is also I to n. Whatever with the I, that to n. Because there nothing we are doing. So then it will print first I and then all combination of correct. That line we will write. So let's go for it. then sub underscore array dot append dot append nums of I, nums of j. Okay, this way. This is the implementation thing. How can we implement in the Python? That is the part basically. Current underscore sub array equals to sub underscore array dot get copy of sub array. Yes, dot copy. Okay, we can't put like this, like we are transferring the variables. But okay, get the copy of it. Okay, fine. If current underscore sub array in big array already we create big array already there, then what we need to do? Continue the loop. Then let's go back. Otherwise, big array array dot append pnd current underscore sub array. Okay. So now part one is over. Come out of the loop. Now let's put max total value equals to 0. Correct? Obviously. K unique sub arrays from big array. Find each sub array maximum difference and then sum of case pairs. Goal is to find the maximum total values. So for a in range of told you right len of big arrays, you understood it here. In this way, we will understand the syntax of Python also, and this is copy. That is the only thing. Other than that, somewhere we can use the range from this to this. Not we not required to j equals to I. No need to return. Directly do it. Check if current server. All this next understood. K minus K plus 1. And difference of A. Obviously, first element A means whichever is the first element, maybe A. That's it. Max of big array, sorry, big array of A minus mean of big big array of A. Current total sum equals to if or b in range. Because here also same thing like above. A plus 1 it will start and a plus 8 will go, right? Obviously, because k minus 1 will not included. Range will work. Things will work like that. If b equals to max of big array of b minus mean of big array of b, current total. Think like this, if we write total sum sum is equals to if b, then I think we need to check it and then so it will be sum. All the sum will be done, and once we come out of this loop, we will check if current, because already there and total sum also there. Current total sum or greater than equals to. Sometimes sum can be equal or greater than equals to max total value then max. No, not required. Equals to not equal, greater than only equals to is already whatever the total value can return, right? Max total value equals to current total sum. Current total sum. Okay, it's done. Let's come out of the array and return it. Hmm. And return what? Yeah, max total. Run. Wrong answer. I will case two wrong answer. 5 for case 2. We will get answer. I don't know. Case 1 is correct. Where it failed. At 12. No, that's not. Zero. Go to subarray. Don't get it. 4 2. Okay. Consecutive groups. Okay. We have discussed this. Okay, there is some mistake in it. You can put give a break of maybe 10 minutes. After that, we again think about it. Okay, what is the problem is happening with it in this algorithm? How the third one is worked and this one is not worked. Okay, get some break. Till that moment, you can uh thinking about your own solution. Let's put the stream, and we will continue why this wrong answer coming and why for this case it is working and this is for case 1 is working, but for the case 2 it is not working. What is the problem is happening? We will check those things in the next stream again. I will create the I will again create the next stream for this and we will discuss it. Maybe it's almost hitting 1 hour, 1.5 hour stream. So we will continue again in the next stream about this. Maybe tomorrow morning or evening. We'll see about it and we will continue this. Thank you for joining. Thank you for listening. Uh, if you have any queries, please put a comment. If